Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I have 10 amazing, mostly tool deals to share with you. These are all Amazon deals. They're all going to be linked down below, and we're doing 10 in 10. So I got 10 deals. We're going to try and keep this video under 10 minutes long because it's the weekend. People got things to do, places to go. The first deal I want to show you is the 4K dash cam by Wolfbox. Now we had a Wolfbox dash cam last week. If it was a little out of budget for you, this one is more economical and really good. It's still 4K, 3-channel. You're getting the 64GB SD card with it. Night vision. It connects to your phone via an app, so you can control everything that way. And if we take a look right here, it is $169.99, but we have a 35% promo code that stacks with a $30 coupon. So I'm guessing, but I think it was like 80-something dollars once it was all said and done for the Wolfbox. And we'll have another item of theirs in a video coming up probably later this week. It is not a dash cam, but it will have a promo code with it. So stay tuned for that. Next up, the brushless impact wrench. 1/2-inch cordless impact gun. You're getting two 3-amp-hour batteries with that. It is by GV Life. You look at it there. So you're getting the two 3-amp-hour batteries, all the sockets. It says 400 foot-pounds. It is a brushless tool. Starts out at $79.99. Now, the promo code's only 10%, but there's also a Prime member discount. So by the time we combine the Prime member discount with the 10% promo code, I believe it was $53 out the door. And again, you're getting the two 3-amp-hour batteries to go with it. Brushless, 1/2-inch drive impact wrench. We have a whetstone, sharpening stone, knife sharpening stone, sharpening kitchen knife sharpener, dual grit, 1000, 6000, non-slip base by Toti. And it is 50% off. So it comes with not only the stone style, but also this little like draw knife. I don't know what you call this style, but it's a sharpener too. Usually this one looks like it has 3. You have 2 or 3 different progressions to get a finer, sharper finish, I guess you could say. But just drawing it through there to sharpen your knives. $24.99. Now we have a 30% promo code and a 20% coupon. We're taking 50% off. That's only going to be $12.49. These used to always start out over $30. We would be happy to get them for $20, so down to $12.49. That's a good in there. 3-piece adjustable wrench set. Wide jaw, just like you like them. Rubber anti-slip grip, 8, 6, and 10-inch. Metric SAE scales, love that. By Work Pro. So, if you like busted knuckles and round nuts, you can get yourself some adjustable wrenches and it'll round all the nuts that you got. I do like the scales on the side. I don't know how useful it really is, but it is nice to know, I guess. You'll have metric on one side and SAE on the other, most likely. Now, there's no promo code or anything. It's just a sale price, but it's really good. $10.99 for a 3-pack of adjustable wrenches. The little cushion grip adds a little bit of value to it there. It says it's normally $22, but if you could use some adjustable wrenches, $10.99 is a pretty good deal for them. Here we have the folding blade pocket knife, 3.6-inch everyday carry knife, G10, that's plastic, handle, belt clip by Bear Grylls. Grills. Folding knife there. This is another one where we're just at a sale price of only $9.99. Little everyday carry knife. Now I have plans for a whole knife video coming up. Like to throw it out maybe once a month or so. And we're going to put together a whole thing. Folding knives and kitchen knives and sharpeners and dullers and hatchets. And we're just going to, anything that can cut, we're going to call it a knife. We're going to throw it in a video, so be on the lookout for that. 24-piece bungee cords. 2 free tarp clips. Assortment jar includes 10, 12, all the bungees. With hooks, you're getting 8 ball ties. Gotta tie your balls. She's doing that for you. By Cartman. 50% off. Get a little bucket with it. You got your tarp clips there. Those look like zip ties. Do those look like zip ties? It's hard to tell. It's white on white. ball ties, tarp clips, bungees. $15.59, but we have a 50% promo code, so under $8 for those guys. Going through the 5th, also it does work for multiple quantities, so if for some reason you needed more than just 32 pieces, you could double that up to 64. Don't ask me what triple is. Craftsman pliers, 8 10-inch, 2-piece groove joint pliers. Again, got some nice comfort grips there. Amazon has them for just $14.98. Lowe's $19.98 plus shipping. Farm and Fleet $19.98 plus shipping. Ace Hardware $21.99 plus shipping. So saving yourself at least $5, only $7.50 a piece for your groove joints. We're ahead of schedule. 42-piece cable clamp set, rubber cushion 304 stainless steel by Tycon. This one has 6 sizes, but there are several options to choose from if you want something specific. These are 30% off. You guys know I love these. You got to go with the stainless steel ones. I'm telling you, you get the regular ones, they're like zinc coated or some shit, and they corrode up and look terrible. So if you don't care what they look like, maybe go with the other ones. Although I still think you're better off here because these are a pretty good deal. But you definitely want stainless steel for the pretty factor. You always care about the pretty factor. $12.95, 30% off there. Now, it goes through the 8th, but if you click on this link right here, it'll apply the promo code to your account, but it'll also show you all the other options. And there was like 8 different Verizons. Yeah. Variations. I was going to say versions and variations. It came out Verizons somehow. Different sizes and different assortments are available. Have the mini electric screwdriver, 48-in-1 magnetic bits, precision electric screwdriver, cordless screwdriver by Leon. 50% off. So these are always fun things to have. Speed up the process, getting all the bits with it. Rechargeable. Starts out at $25. We have the 50% promo code that's supposed to go through the end of the month. Boy, we'll be glad when that day gets here. Get rid of this month. This is a trash-ass month. $24.99, 50% off makes it $12.49. Although I do like what Secretary Mr. Hegseth did. If you know, you know. Next up, amazing deals on flex saws, drills, and power tools. If you are a flex tool owner, you may want to check out this page because I noticed they had several things currently on sale. A couple of coupons on items. We'll skim through these super quick. You got the oscillating tool. It is a tool only. Normally $127, but then a $20 coupon there. We have a $40 coupon on the brushless high torque impact wrench. It's coming with a 5 amp hour battery, so taking $40 off that, super nice. You have both the drill kit and impact driver kit, one at $99, the other at $95. Full kit, under $100. Little bit set here, $29.99. This other bit set's only $14.99. The oscillating blades at $39.99. Trim router, $129, jigsaw, $149, a impact wrench. I don't know if it's the same impact wrench. Is that the same impact wrench? That says 450 foot-pounds, half-inch. Where'd it go? This one says 1150. No. This one, $129, doesn't have the nuts. I don't know why the price for the sander's not showing, and $129 for the angle grinder. Now, last one, not a tool deal, but I posted this a couple of days ago, and it was much more popular than I kind of threw it out there, and then boom, everybody bought one. So if you missed out, the promo code's still good. Maybe you still want one. Oversized King Big Blanket, 120 by 120. That's big. Extra soft, large throw blanket by Bedsure, and it is 50%. Look, it's like a whole little party. It's like a blanket orgy going on over here. 10 by 10. Normally $40. We have a 30% promo code, a 20% coupon. It does work for multiple quantities if you wanted more than one, but they makes it $19.99 for your big blanket. You can do a lot of stuff there. Pitching a hell of a tent. So there it is, guys. 10 amazing deals in 10 minutes or less. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.